Welcome back on Timeline Indian History Documentaries. Sanchi is a fascinating site with a rich history and cultural significance. Here are 100 facts about Sanchi. 1. Sanchi is a small village located in the Raisen district of Madhya Pradesh, India. 2. It is renowned for its Buddhist monuments, particularly the Great Stupa. 3. The Great Stupa at Sanchi is one of the oldest stone structures in India and is considered a masterpiece of Buddhist architecture. 4. Sanchi was a major center for Buddhist learning and pilgrimage during ancient times. 5. The site dates back to the 3rd century BCE, during the time of Emperor Ashoka, who commissioned the construction of the Great Stupa. 6. Emperor Ashoka was a patron of Buddhism and played a significant role in its spread across the Indian subcontinent. 7. Sanchi served as an important hub for Buddhist monks and scholars, attracting visitors from all over the world. 8. The Great Stupa is a hemispherical dome structure built over relics of the Buddha. 9. It is surrounded by a stone railing adorned with intricate carvings depicting scenes from the life of the Buddha and Jathaka tales. 10. The tornas, or gateways, at Sanchi are elaborately decorated with carvings of various Buddhist motifs and symbols. 11. The 4 gateways at Sanchi are known for their exquisite craftsmanship and artistic detailing. 12. Sanchi is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, designated in 1989 for its cultural significance and historical importance. 13. The site underwent extensive restoration work during the British colonial period under the supervision of Sir John Marshall. 14. The Sanchi Stupa has been the subject of archaeological research and conservation efforts for over a century. 15. The architecture of Sanchi reflects a blend of Indian and Greco-Buddhist influences. 16. The construction of the Great Stupa involved the use of finely carved stone blocks and intricate masonry techniques. 17. Sanchi is mentioned in ancient Buddhist texts and inscriptions, highlighting its importance as a sacred pilgrimage site. 18. The site is surrounded by lush greenery and offers panoramic views of the surrounding countryside. 19. Sanchi attracts tourists and pilgrims from all over the world who come to explore its ancient monuments and religious significance. 20. The relics of the Buddha enshrined in the Great Stupa are believed to be some of the most sacred in Buddhism. 21. Sanchi has served as a symbol of Buddhist heritage and spirituality for over 2 millennia. 22. The site has been a subject of study for archaeologists, historians, and scholars interested in ancient Indian culture and religion. 23. Sanchi has inspired artists, writers, and poets throughout history, who have depicted its beauty and significance in their works. 24. The architecture of Sanchi has influenced Buddhist art and architecture across Asia, including in countries like Sri Lanka, Thailand, and Indonesia. 25. The Great Stupa is the largest structure at Sanchi, standing at a height of over 16 meters. 26. The stupa is surrounded by a raised terrace platform, which is accessible via staircases on all 4 sides. 27. The railing around the Great Stupa is decorated with carvings of animals, mythical creatures, and floral motifs. 28. The gateways at Sanchi are adorned with sculpted scenes depicting events from the life of the Buddha, such as his birth, enlightenment, and passing into nirvana. 29. The tornas are crowned with elaborate motifs and symbols, including lotus flowers, lions, elephants, and celestial beings. 30. The sculptures at Sanchi are made of sandstone and exhibit exquisite craftsmanship and attention to detail. 31. The site has been a pilgrimage destination for Buddhists for centuries, who come to pay their respects to the Buddha and meditate in its tranquil surroundings. 32. Sanchi has undergone several phases of construction and renovation over the centuries, resulting in a complex of monuments representing different periods of Buddhist history. 33. The site is managed by the Archaeological Survey of India and is open to visitors throughout the year. 34. Sanchi is located near the town of Vidisha, which was an important center of trade and commerce during ancient times. 35. The surroundings of Sanchi are dotted with ancient ruins, monasteries, and temples, reflecting its rich cultural heritage. 36. The site has been mentioned in various historical records and travelogues dating back to ancient times. 37. Sanchi has been depicted in numerous works of art, literature, and film, showcasing its timeless beauty and spiritual significance. 38. The site is associated with legends and folklore that speak of its mystical origins and divine blessings. 39. Sanchi has inspired the design of Buddhist monuments and temples in other parts of India and beyond. 40. The site has served as a meeting place for people of different cultures and faiths, fostering dialogue and understanding among diverse communities. 41. Sanchi is surrounded by a stone wall, which encloses the entire complex and provides a sense of sanctuary and seclusion. 42. The site is laid out in a symmetrical manner, with the Great Stupa as the central focus and other monuments arranged around it in a concentric pattern. 43. Sanchi has been a subject of study for scholars interested in the history of Buddhism, Indian art and architecture, and religious pilgrimage. 44. The site has been visited by numerous historical figures and dignitaries over the centuries, including Chinese pilgrims, Tibetan monks, and European explorers. 45. Sanchi has been a place of worship and contemplation for people of all backgrounds, who come seeking solace and spiritual enlightenment. 46. The site has inspired the establishment of Buddhist monasteries and retreat centers in other parts of the world, where practitioners can study and meditate in the tradition of the ancient sages. 47. Sanchi has been featured in textbooks and educational materials as an example of ancient Indian civilization and cultural heritage. 48. The site has been a source of inspiration for artists and architects interested in traditional craftsmanship and design. 49. Sanchi has been a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1989, recognized for its outstanding universal value and significance to humanity. 50. The site has been the focus of conservation efforts aimed at preserving its architectural integrity and historical authenticity. 51. Sanchi has been depicted in postage stamps, coins, and other commemorative items as a symbol of India's rich cultural heritage and spiritual legacy. 52. The site has been a popular destination for tourists interested in exploring India's ancient history and religious traditions. 53. Sanchi has been featured in travel guides and documentaries as a must-visit destination for those interested in archaeology and cultural tourism. 54. The site has been a venue for cultural events and festivals celebrating India's artistic and spiritual heritage. 55. Sanchi has been a source of pride for the local community, who take great pride in preserving its legacy for future generations. 56. The site has been a subject of research for scholars interested in understanding the evolution of Buddhist art and architecture in India. 57. Sanchi has been a symbol of peace and harmony, serving as a reminder of the universal values of compassion and wisdom espoused by the Buddha. 58. The site has been visited by spiritual seekers and pilgrims from all walks of life, who come to pay homage to the Buddha and seek blessings for themselves and their loved ones. 59. Sanchi has been a place of pilgrimage for Buddhists from countries around the world, who come to experience the spiritual energy of this sacred site. 60. The site has been the focus of academic conferences and symposiums exploring its historical, cultural, and religious significance. 61. Sanchi has been depicted in literature and poetry as a place of timeless beauty and spiritual inspiration. 62. The site has been a setting for meditation retreats and spiritual workshops, where participants can immerse themselves in the teachings of the Buddha and explore their own inner journey. 63. Sanchi has been featured in art exhibitions and museum collections showcasing its rich artistic heritage and cultural legacy. 64. The site has been a venue for cultural exchanges and dialogue among people of different faiths and traditions, fostering mutual understanding and respect. 65. Sanchi has been a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1989, recognized for its outstanding cultural significance and historical importance. 66. The site has been a source of inspiration for filmmakers and photographers capturing its timeless beauty and spiritual ambience. 67. Sanchi has been depicted in religious texts and scriptures as a place of pilgrimage and spiritual awakening. 68. The site has been a subject of fascination for historians and archaeologists, unraveling its ancient mysteries and secrets. 69. Sanchi has been a symbol of India's cultural diversity and religious pluralism, reflecting the country's rich tapestry of beliefs and traditions. 70. The site has been a sanctuary for wildlife and nature lovers, who come to explore its lush surroundings and observe its diverse flora and fauna. 71. Sanchi has been a beacon of hope and inspiration for people seeking refuge from the trials and tribulations of everyday life. 72. The site has been a place of healing and renewal for those grappling with physical ailments and emotional challenges. 73. Sanchi has been a place of pilgrimage for followers of other faiths as well, who come seeking blessings and spiritual guidance. 74. The site has been a center for cultural exchange and dialogue, bringing together people of different backgrounds and beliefs in a spirit of harmony and cooperation. 75. Sanchi has been a symbol of India's ancient wisdom and spiritual heritage, serving as a reminder of the country's rich cultural legacy. 76. The site has been a source of inspiration for artists, poets, and writers seeking to capture its timeless beauty and spiritual essence. 77. Sanchi has been depicted in paintings, sculptures, and other forms of artistic expression as a place of transcendent beauty and divine grace. 78. The site has been a subject of study for scholars and researchers exploring its historical, architectural, and religious significance. 79. Sanchi has been a venue for cultural events and festivals celebrating India's rich artistic heritage and spiritual traditions. 80. The site has been a place of pilgrimage for Buddhists from all over the world, who come to pay homage to the Buddha and seek blessings for themselves and their loved ones. 81. Sanchi has been a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1989, recognized for its outstanding universal value and cultural significance. 82. The site has been a symbol of India's commitment to preserving its cultural heritage and promoting religious tolerance and harmony. 83. Sanchi has been depicted in literature and poetry as a place of spiritual awakening and enlightenment. 84. The site has been a subject of fascination for tourists and travelers exploring India's ancient history and cultural heritage. 85. Sanchi has been a sanctuary for seekers of truth and wisdom, who come to meditate and reflect in its serene surroundings. 86. The site has been a source of inspiration for architects and designers seeking to incorporate its timeless beauty and spiritual symbolism into their creations. 87. Sanchi has been depicted in films and documentaries as a place of pilgrimage and spiritual renewal. 88. The site has been a setting for religious rituals and ceremonies, where devotees come to offer prayers and seek blessings from the divine. 89. Sanchi has been a symbol of India's spiritual heritage and cultural identity, representing the country's deep-rooted beliefs and traditions. 90. The site has been a beacon of hope and inspiration for people seeking solace and guidance in times of trouble and uncertainty. 91. Sanchi has been a source of pride for the local community, who take great pride in preserving its ancient legacy for future generations. 92. The site has been a venue for academic conferences and symposiums exploring its historical, architectural, and cultural significance. 93. Sanchi has been depicted in religious texts and scriptures as a place of pilgrimage and spiritual awakening. 94. The site has been a subject of study for scholars and researchers investigating its ancient mysteries and secrets. 95. Sanchi has been a symbol of peace and harmony, serving as a reminder of the universal values of compassion and wisdom. 96. The site has been depicted in literature and poetry as a place of transcendent beauty and divine grace. 97. Sanchi has been a sanctuary for seekers of truth and wisdom, who come to meditate and reflect in its serene surroundings. 98. The site has been a source of inspiration for artists, poets, and writers seeking to capture its timeless beauty and spiritual essence. 99. Sanchi has been a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1989, recognized for its outstanding universal value and cultural significance. 100. The site has been a symbol of India's rich cultural heritage and spiritual legacy, inspiring generations of people with its beauty and grace.